What's up, guys? Welcome back
Hey, welcome back to Josh YouTube channel. I subscribe and so guys.
So we out there 63 beach today, guys. So the boys they gonna show you beach tour today. So stay tuned, guys. There we go. There we go. Over front.
Here we have one at the beach with some masala. Yo, smile for the camera.
Okay.
Wow, was that a vlog?
What's that just now?
Capturing 63 beach.
So guys, Marcos will show you the beach tour.
Guys, honestly, this water is look so dirty, right? Normally 63 beach. If you don't come every time, 4 o'clock time, our water is and till ends up on the bank. To the bank, it's got till ends. And now we have some people in the water, well not much people, we're on a Friday. So as I can see, we get some lackadaisical people. Some of them don't know how to swim, but them want to go and swim. So, you know what is up to the hardest people? Guys, one of them there, stranded, the last 4 guys. Same as me. The last 4. So, we're on the beach, vibing. You can see some nice seashells. We have to pick up some designs. And the water is quite salt. The fish sitting there. Look a 4-eye fish. It's a 4-eye fish. Look a fish.
Yeah. If I walk on catch fish, bro, I catch that. I catch.
I get some nice mangleberry.
I walk up over for I went up. Play the sand and sun, man. Not to play with the sand and sun. Awak tu orang kau tak pasti bang. Yang banana. Banana. As you can see, below there, you got man catch fish. Below there.
Yeah, man.
Something settings. What that?
Yeah, reset the camera. The speech flag is subsidy for frequent like subsidy. Hello kabata na may lupa kaya bye. Bahura. Plenty ba no hiwa.
I check the whole entire setting right through.
Bien we can.
Check out.
What that?
This is how it's going, right?
Something like
Because I put you in front and just command to.
make a video rin to carry see if we acting it kasi really. Bye for you guys. Okay, drop tan.
Walang camera lang.
Push camera.
There and there.
I like use it, you see it more better through there. AV mode is more better, you know. To be honest, use it on AV mode so it's clean.
Guys, we're back to 63 Beach. As you can see here, you get a lot of nasty people living in Guyana, mga cats. We can expect this one. Everything on the shore, right? Okay. Even can, no matter if I'm on the beaches, so what's a nasty bad, we didn't even know sex. People sexing on the beach. Yes, that I'm do them. 6 on the beach. If you see this now, we catch 2 man sex in the water. God, a fire myself on them. Go on them. It's surreal. Look at this beach here. What's a condition of it? Bang, it's weird type of water every single day. So Everything panty, ala pa na beach top.
Kung gaano career man na rin.
Yeah, what the panty.
Oh my God. Mag-i-run ang po here.
What the panty right now?
Run? Open na to ang panty sniffer.
Guys, this is the yung panty sniffer.
Panty sniffer.
They're right there, run.
Vocalicious.
What up there?
Huwag mo ka ba yung garbages mo?
Mama put me fresh 23 beach sun. My fresh 20. I should bring up the jar, boy.
Bring up a jar?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up.
You're Jesus sitting here. Deserts.